According to the National Electrical Code, specifically Table 310.15b16, there's an issue with using 4 AWG copper conductors fed by a 100 amp breaker. The problem lies in overcurrent protection and conductor ampacity. Ampacity refers to the current carrying capacity of a conductor, which is the maximum amount of electrical current a conductor can carry continuously without exceeding its temperature rating. The National Electrical Code provides tables that specify the ampacity of different conductor sizes and types based on factors like insulation type and ambient temperature. Overcurrent protection is the function of a fuse or circuit breaker to interrupt the flow of current when it exceeds the conductor's ampacity or a safe level. This prevents overheating, insulation damage, and potential fire hazards. In the scenario described, 4 AWG copper conductors are connected to a 100 amp breaker. According to Table 310.15b16 of the National Electrical Code, 4 AWG copper conductors with a typical insulation type such as THHN or THW are generally rated for an ampacity of 75 amps. This means that the conductors can safely carry a maximum of 75 amps continuously. However, the 100 amp breaker allows for a potential overcurrent of up to 100 amps to flow through the 4 AWG conductors. This exceeds the conductor's ampacity of 75 amps and creates a risk of overheating and insulation damage. The purpose of overcurrent protection is to protect the conductors from excessive current that could cause them to overheat and potentially start a fire. The breaker should be sized to protect the weakest link in the circuit, which in this case is the 4 AWG conductors with their ampacity of 75 amps. Since the breaker is rated for 100 amps, it will not trip and interrupt the current until it reaches 100 amps. This means that the conductors could be subjected to currents between 75 amps and 100 amps for an extended period, leading to overheating and potential damage. To correct this situation, the 100 amp breaker needs to be replaced with a breaker that is properly sized to protect the 4 AWG conductors. A 70 amp breaker would be an appropriate choice in this case. A 70 amp breaker will trip and interrupt the current if it exceeds 70 amps, which is below the conductor's ampacity of 75 amps. This ensures that the conductors are protected from overcurrent and prevents overheating. It's also important to consider the minimum circuit ampacity and maximum overcurrent protective device (OCT) ratings specified in the rooftop unit's nameplate. The minimum circuit ampacity indicates the minimum current carrying capacity required for the conductor supplying the unit. The maximum OCT rating indicates the maximum size of the breaker or fuse that can be used to protect the circuit. In this case, the minimum circuit ampacity is 64 amps and the maximum OCT is 70 amps. This further reinforces the need to replace the 100 amp breaker with a 70 amp breaker. The 70 amp breaker satisfies both the maximum OCT rating specified in the unit's nameplate and provides adequate overcurrent protection for the 4 AWG conductors. It's crucial to ensure that the conductors are properly protected against overcurrent to prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of the installation. Using the wrong size breaker can have serious consequences, including equipment damage, fire, and even injury. When selecting a breaker size, always consult the National Electrical Code and the equipment manufacturer's specifications to ensure that the conductors are adequately protected. In addition to replacing the breaker, it's also important to verify that all other components in the circuit, such as the disconnect switch and the conductors themselves, are properly sized and rated for the intended application. The disconnect switch should have a current rating equal to or greater than the breaker size. The conductors should have an ampacity equal to or greater than the minimum circuit ampacity specified in the equipment nameplate. By carefully considering all of these factors, it's possible to ensure that the electrical installation is safe, reliable, and compliant with the National Electrical Code. In summary, the use of 4 AWG conductors with a 100 amp breaker is a violation of the National Electrical Code and creates a risk of overcurrent and fire. To correct this problem, the 100 amp breaker should be replaced with a 70 amp breaker. This will ensure that the conductors are properly protected against overcurrent and that the electrical installation is safe and compliant with the National Electrical Code. Always consult the National Electrical Code and the equipment manufacturer's specifications when selecting breaker sizes and conductor ampacities. Ignoring these guidelines can have serious consequences. Always prioritize safety and consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about electrical installations. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it's important to take all necessary precautions to prevent accidents. By following the National Electrical Code and using properly sized components, it's possible to create electrical installations that are safe, reliable, and efficient. Remember that electrical codes are in place to protect people and property from electrical hazards. It's essential to follow these codes carefully to ensure the safety of everyone involved. If you're not comfortable working with electricity, it's always best to hire a qualified electrician to do the work for you. They have the knowledge and experience to ensure that the job is done safely and correctly. Electricity is a powerful force, and it should be treated with respect. By following the National Electrical Code and taking all necessary precautions, it's possible to use electricity safely and effectively.